Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the essentials so you can act fast. Have your government ID and social security number out, plus last year's return for reference. Next, open the email or account where you expect documents. This might be your IRS online account, tax preparer portal, or employer payroll site. Make sure you know the tax year and which forms you need, like Form 1040 or 1099. Once done, sign in and bookmark the pages you'll use repeatedly. This avoids backtracking and saves time. You now access the official sources to retrieve files. Log into IRS, Gov, or your state revenue portal, and if you used a tax preparer, sign into their secure portal. Use the exact account tied to the tax year. Enable or use two-factor authentication. This protects your data and prevents delays. Search for the download or get transcript options, then request the exact year and form types. Make sure downloaded files show correct dates and dollar totals, so you don't miss adjustments or amendments. You finish by securely saving and verifying the documents. Move each PDF into a labeled folder, include year and form type in the file name, then back them up to cloud storage or an external drive. Cross-check totals against bank deposits and e-file confirmation numbers so nothing is overlooked. If a document is missing, call the payer, your tax preparer, or the IRS transcript phone line with year, form, and SSN ready. That usually resolves it. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try a different browser if portal downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.